Supervisor Don Clavin and I, we want to welcome everyone here to the 2024 Peters Clam Bar Clam Eating Contest. This is the 10th anniversary of this eating contest. 10 years ago, Butch and Molly thought Coney Island has hot dogs, Island Park has clams, and over the last 10 years, we have been able to raise close to $500,000 for charities and people in need. Over those 10 years, these fine Peters Clam Bar employees have shucked for this contest over 150,000 clams. Ladies and gentlemen, this clam eating contest would not be possible without partnerships. We said it a few minutes ago, but once again, we should congratulate them. The Island Park Fire Department celebrating 100 years of service this weekend. Chief Eric Gorton, thank you so much. We also wouldn't be able to do it without the town of Hempstead and, of course, our great supervisor. Let's hear it for Don Clavin.
Today is all about a good cause. Today's, you know what, remembering and honoring, and that's what we do here. Thank you all for being here. Know that this money is going to the right place. This money is going to help a family that lost a father, a husband, and a hero. Let's remember that in our prayers. God bless all of you, and God bless America.
All right, we got 4 minutes on the clock. Let's hear it for our first round of contestants. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, you do realize this is not lunch. This is a contest. You're supposed to be eating at rapid pace. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,